Hey guys, I'm Dustin Vines with the Jessamine County Public Library, and welcome to Maker Monday.
Hello guys, today we're going to be talking about Microsoft Excel. So as you can see, I am on the home screen right now, and from here I can do a number of things. If I had a specific assignment that I wanted to do, I could select a pre-built template to match that assignment. So for instance, if I needed to do like an attendance report, you can see there's a pre-built template for that. Or like up here, monthly budget. So I mean, there's quite a few different pre-built templates for a particular thing that you can be working on. Now we're just going to start out today with a blank workbook, and I'll be showing you just some simple tips and tricks that you can do. So the first thing we'll talk about is the cell width and height. So as I'm clicking around, if there's a particular cell that I want to select, I can just select that one. Or if I want to select the entire row, I can click on the number, or if I want to select an entire column, I can select the letter, or if I want to select everything, I'll click this arrow. So for instance, if we wanted to change column A's width, we can come up here to the Format button, and you can see we have options for row height and column width. So right now it's set to 8.11. We'll set this to 15 just for an example. So next thing we'll do is add colors to the cells. So to do that, we would select the cell that we want to change the color of. And up top here, you can see this button right here. That's going to be our paint bucket. And you can just select whichever color you wanted to fill it with. And of course, as we talked about earlier, you can select multiple cells. You can select entire columns, rows, and fill them with the colors that you want. So right now, again, just selecting different things and filling them with color. So now the next thing you can do is add functions to cells. So for instance, if we needed something to, like if we had like a list that we needed to add up, and I'll just make a list real fast. So just some random numbers, and let's say that we wanted to add that up. Well, we would just select what we want added. Then we can come up top here. You can see it's set to auto sum. Now, of course, if you weren't doing a sum, if you were doing something else, we have this arrow right here. You can select the specific task you're looking to do. We'll just select auto sum, and you can see now it generates this right here. And as we change the numbers, you can see it adjusts the sum. Now, we could also do that by typing in equals sum, and that would perform the same task. Alright, so the next thing that we'll do is create a table or a graph. So again, I'll just create a set of data. Just type it in some random numbers. And to do that, I have two columns, so I mean we're looking at two things to compare. I'll select all this, and we'll go up to here to where it says Insert. And you can see we have all of our charts right here. So for instance, if we wanted like a column, you can see that gives us that type of graph right there. Or if we wanted a line graph, whatever best matches what you're trying to work with, you can select that there. Of course, always you can format it, make it look a little bit better with the pre-built styles up top here. Alright, so now we are going to print this Excel sheet. And to do that, we'll just go to File and Print. And you can see all the settings right here. So we have a couple different options for printing. So you can either print the active sheets, which will print all the pages. You can print the entire workbook, which will print every sheet in the Excel document. And then the print selection would only print the selected cells that you have highlighted. So depending on what you need, you may select one over the other. So another option with printing, if you wanted to actually have the grid lines that you see here printed out, you could go over here to the Page Layout tab, and under the Grid Lines menu, you could just select the Print button, and then whenever you go to print out the document, those grid lines would show up. So those are just a few tips and tricks surrounding Excel. Thank you very much for watching.
Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share this video so you can be aware of the next time we upload. Thank you.